I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money into your HSBC account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Open the HSBC mobile app or website and enter your login credentials. This will give you access to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, look for the deposit option in the menu. This is usually found under the Accounts or Transactions tab. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Select how you want to deposit. Money options may include bank transfer, check deposit, or cash deposit at an ATM. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 4. Enter deposit details. If you're transferring funds, enter the amount and the account you're transferring from. For check deposits, make sure to take a clear photo of both sides of the check. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're depositing a check, ensure that you endorse it properly on the back to avoid any issues. Happy banking!